Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record multi-track audio in BandLab. BandLab is a free cloud-based that allows musicians to record, mix and produce music on PC, browser or mobile, and one of its core features is multi-track recording, which lets you record multiple audio layers like vocals, guitar and keyboard on separate tracks and mix them together, and this is essential for producing professional sounding. So first, open any of the web browser that you prefer. And after that, in the top, we can find this address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it. And over here, you can either go to the draft project or you can either create one. As I'm going to select this draft here. And once you get into this interface of a studio, you can also record the first track. Over here, what you can do is you can simply go to this red icon and then start recording to your new first track as well. And that is it. But you can also add the track in the left hand side here. You can go to this voice or audio and you can record to the second time. And that is it. This is how you can record multi-track audio in BandLab. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.